Hello students, next reaction is Perkin reaction. In case of Perkin reaction, aromatic aldehyde react with aliphatic anhydride in presence of sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid and formation of alpha beta carboxylic acid takes place. Means reactant in case of Perkin reaction are aromatic aldehyde, aliphatic anhydride, as well as sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid, and formation of product is alpha beta unsaturated acid. Means product of this reaction is alpha beta unsaturated acid. Let's see how this reaction happens. We take aromatic aldehyde is here, that is benzaldehyde, and aliphatic anhydride is acetic anhydride. Aromatic aldehyde is benzaldehyde, aliphatic anhydride is acetic anhydride, and salt of carboxylic acid is sodium acetate CH3COONA. So let's see product is what? Benzaldehyde, acetic anhydride, sodium acetate. When reacts three together, formation of cinnamic acid takes place. Cinnamic acid is a alpha beta unsaturated acid. Why it is alpha beta unsaturated acid? After the carboxylic acid group, next carbon is alpha carbon and next carbon is beta carbon, and double bond is present between the carbon-carbon double bond next to the carboxylic group. That's why it is known as the alpha beta unsaturated acid. So let us see the mechanism of the reaction. In the case of mechanism, step 1. Firstly, sodium acetate dissociate into two ions, acetate ion as well as the sodium ion. Now acetate ion reacts with alpha hydrogen of acetic anhydride. Acetate ion accepts the alpha hydrogen from the acetic anhydride, and formation of acetic acid takes place, as well as anhydride carbanion intermediate is formed here. Acetate ion accept the alpha hydrogen from the acetic anhydride and formation of carbanion takes place. After the formation of intermediate of anhydride as a carbanion, negative charge attack on the benzaldehyde carbonyl carbon and double bond shift to the oxygen, and formation of this type of adduct takes place here, or you can say that condensed product is formed, and then this O negative accept the hydrogen from the acetic acid, and formation of this type of product takes place here. After that, dehydration takes place. How dehydration occurs? Hydrogen from this carbon and OH from this carbon is removed. Hydrogen from this carbon and OH from this carbon is removed, and carbon-carbon double bond is formed here. After that, a water molecule, or you can say that, is taken, or hydrolysis takes place here, and carbon double bond oxygen, and then next is oxygen. This bond is dissociated. So oxygen is more electronegative, so that's why this carries the negative charge, and carbon is electropositive in respect to oxygen, that's why it carries the positive charge, and positive accepts the negative of part of H2O, means OH negative. So ultimately cinnamic acid is formed, and acetyl CH3COO negative accepts the hydrogen from the water and acetic acid is formed. So finally formation of cinnamic acid takes place like this. You can see this step again. This carries the positive charge and this carries the negative charge. Similarly, water, in case of water, H is positive and OH is negative. So, a positively attracts and the formation of cinnamic acid and acetic acid takes place. Thank you.